Hello, good day viewers, you're highly welcome. In today's tutorial today, we are going to be solving this system of linear and quadratic equation. Okay, so I would like you to stay focused and see what we are going to do. So now, permit me to start like this. So now I have x minus y equals 1 to be equation 1, and I have x to power 2 minus y to power 2 equals 5 to be equation 2. So now from here, the next thing we are going to do, so let's set from 2, that is from equation 2, we can rewrite this left hand side to be x minus y, x plus y, then equals 5. So that is from the that is difference of 2 squared, that says we have a squared minus b squared. So this will give you a minus b, then a plus b, right? So now we use the idea here. So therefore, we have x minus y, x plus y equals 5. So this equation 2 becomes this. So now from 1, now we can see that we have x minus y. So therefore, we put x minus y to be equals 1 in this equation here. So therefore, we're going to be having 1, okay, multiplied by x plus y equals what? Equals 5. Are you getting it now? So now from there, so the next thing we're going to do, we can see when you multiply 1 by this, we're going to have x plus y equals 5. So we have another equation here. Let's say this is equation 3. So now from there, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to see that bringing this one here, x minus 1 equals 1, which is the equation 1 we have earlier. So now let's try solve this in using that simultaneously. So therefore, let me add the both equation. If I add the both equation, x plus x, so I'm going to be having 2x, then y plus minus y, that will give us what? 0, right? So equals 5 plus this one, I'm going to be having 6. So now from here, what do? We try to divide through by 2, divided through by 2. So this cancel this, we have x equals what? 3. So now if s equals 3, so it means we have one of the solutions to be what? To be s equals 3. So now the next thing we're going to do is, now let's put x equals 3 in any of the equation, okay? But I'm going to be picking this simpler equation, which is equation 1, that says x minus y equals 1. So let me write it down. X minus y equals 1. In x minus y equals 1. Right? So anywhere I see x, I replace what? I replace 3. So here I'm going to be having 3 minus y equals 1. Then here, so let me try to take this minus y to the other side, that is transposing it. So I'm going to be having this to be y equals 3 minus 1. Then I have what? I have y to be equals 2. So now since y equals 2, so now what we need to do now is we have x to be equals 3 and we have y to be equals 2. Now let's now check whether what we have is right or not. So now from the equation x minus y equals 1, let's replace this. X is 3, I have 3 minus y is 2. So you can see that we have it to be 1. Now let's check the second equation, that says x squared minus y squared equals 5. So now what is the value of x I got? I got it to be 3 squared minus y is what? Y is 2 squared. So now what is 3 squared? 3 squared is 9 minus 2 squared is 4. So 9 minus 4, we just see that we have what? We have 5. So therefore, that's the solution to the problem. Okay, if you find the class very interesting, so do not hesitate to share this. do not hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime, any moment we upload a new content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.